Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes. So this is part 2 of the video of Fantiland in St.Elizabeth. So you all can tell me what you think about this area. I was gonna say part 1, so this is part 2, coming from a different side. So big up on yourself, anyone who watch from, big up on yourself here and abroad, you can big up on yourself and tell me what you think about this side of Fantiland. So this is the part 2 of the video. Big up all of them people who are watching the video come from Fantiland. Big up on yourself. They're up on the countryside in St. Elizabeth. So this is the things you would see in the country or countryside set up off the main. You know, so you're up on the countryside of the main, you will see shops and bar. And sometimes the road condition I gotta look a bit bad same way. So now if you expect the road condition them. When I talk about countryside, cause some place lane. Yeah man, you see the road condition. So we're having some, the weather is it's a bit overcast today, so video can look a bit dark, but you know still can see I go up on the countryside same way as I say a part 2 of the video. This and place them call name Fantiland in St. Elizabeth. So leave in the comment section, as I said before. It's a part 2 of the video. If I see any house for sale and land for sale in this area, I will post it and let you know and tell me what you think about it. So we have one side there, in the part 1 video, so we have a better road condition. But as we say, when you come on to Jamaica on the countryside, them places we call them lane. So you're not gonna find some asphalt road. So you just have to accept the countryside of Jamaica. Not every place is gonna be the same way. So on your left, you have the New Bethel United Missionary Baptist Church in Fantiland. So this is the church area. So if you want to come to the church here, you can check it out. See them do some farmer work on the gate and things, so you can come check out the area and see what go on. Tell us, no matter how much off of the main you still gonna find some nice houses in Jamaica. Some nice houses in Jamaica. So as me say, you don't know Jamaica inside or outside. What to expect or what to not expect. Here man, you see a lot of mango tree, tamarind tree, so much trees. DJ Chef, need to check out DJ Chef place. Let me say the first time in that area, I don't know what to expect. But I heard this is a very nice area. So half of the main road in a lane. Half of the main in a lane. So you see them road here more time kids have to walk on them road here. Go to school. So it's not an easy road for the kids to walk go to school. Not an easy road.